In this lecture, we learn how to change green screen in Filmora 15. So first you import your videos and then you drag and drop your green screen video on the main timeline. After that, you drag and drop your videos and your photos you want to use behind the green screen, right? And the media that you want to show behind the green screen should be below to the green screen videos, right? So I want to show that media. I have already take some screenshots, right? So I want to put this media behind to the green screen. So I drag and drop here. So the green screen video is the top and the media that I want to show behind the green screen is below to the green screen video, right? And now I show that pic. Okay, I put the media right. Now I render it. So we select the green screen video, right? And then click the video, and in video then click the AI mating, right? So click on AI mating, and from here you see the chroma key, right? So open the chroma key, and after that you select click here, right? So click here and then drop this here and click on the screen, right? So the green screen will be removed. Now I again render it. Now this video I play on the full screen, right? You see the background change accordingly. So the video is end, right? So we change the green background successfully in Filmora 15, and from here you also use the right. So first I change it, and in here I use some animation. Now in this green screen video, in the background pics, I want to use some transition, right? To look professional. So click on the transition, and I have already some downloaded transition. My downloaded transition is here, right? Now I want to use a transition in the background pics on videos, right? So I apply on it. Now I apply this transition, right? We choose the transition. Now I apply this transition. Okay, now I apply this transition, right? So first I render it. Now I play this video on the full screen. So you see the transition on the background pics. So in this lecture, we learn how to use the green screen in Filmora 15, right? And how to animate the background pics and videos in the green screen. Thank you.